Yep.
Alright, I've been promising Mama, Lisa, and everybody else Spanner's signs. So, I'll try to remember them all, everybody, and if I don't, I'll get them in another video sometime. And I don't know how much of me Dwayne has you where you can see. Hopefully waist high. Yeah, no, honey?
Yeah, I got at least waist high.
Okay, we'll see it. Open palm, just straight up. Down, again, open palm, just flat toward the ground. To stand, flat hand straight up. Kisses, thumb along the jawline, which is girl in American Sign Language. Don't know how that ended up being our sign for kiss, but it is. Stop is the E in American Sign Language. Roll, the R in Sign Language, with a twist. Kennel is the K in American Sign Language. No, of course, is the ASL sign. Good boy. He knows the sign for his sister, Bella. Hi, Bella, we love you. He knows Daddy, Mama, eat, speak, which is one finger away from your mouth. To shake is just holding out, asking for his paw with a cupped hand. What other signs does he know, baby?
Watch me.
Watch me. As that got his attention. What else do you know, buddy? He knows patting your chest or the bar is up. He knows back up, which is showing him to back. What else?
I know we're missing some.
Oh, heel is the Sign Language H, and I just tapped that to my thigh. Or it's also go here, and I point to whatever. Cookie, Sign Language C. Toy, it's kind of like I'm holding his ball, shaking it for him. That's also kind of the go fetch. If I act like I'm going to throw it for him, he knows that we're going to play fetch. Bye-bye, he knows, is to leave. Actually, a little bit more exaggerated is to wave bye-bye. What else? I know we're missing more. Is there any other ones you can think of?
There's still some we're missing. I just...
yeah, I know. Ah, crawl. Like a little pair of legs. Walking.
Jump. No jump.
Ah, yes. No jumps, just no. And then kind of showing him the jump. That one we use pretty frequently, so I don't know why I forgot that one. Because we're still working on not jumping. Especially on people. Thank you, Daddy. Teaching him bad manners.
Hey, he's a lap dog. What do you expect?
Yeah, our precious 80-pound lap puppy.
And he's just a puppy.
And I know we are missing some, but I think that's a pretty good basic addition for what and all his signs are. So, hi Mama Lisa, I hope those help with your hearing puppies and any other deaf puppies you may have. And I hope everyone's doing well. Give Mama Perdita and Daddy Pongo kisses from us. Say hi to everyone else, and hopefully we'll get a new training video up soon. Bye everybody!